We're at Erskine Park today at the Western Sydney Service Centre for a meeting of the Australia-India Youth Dialogue, a leadership program that involves young people, young leaders from Australia and India, and that meets every year, alternating between Australia and India.
The dialogue brings together 15 young leaders from Australia and 15 from India.
There are young leaders from all fields.
Entrepreneurs, MPs, health professionals, musicians, artists.
It's a really, really interesting group.
But we get these really powerful conversations with different points of view.
BlueScope's been a sponsor of the program since 2018, and so we contribute to holding of the events and contribute speakers to it, which is why I'm here today.
Australia and India have a lot of opportunities to collaborate on, and my interest in building those bridges is what brought me to AIYD.
So today's focus is on business and entrepreneurship, and what a better place to start with than BlueScope.
Well, I've lived in the Pacific for 5 years, and this is a great opportunity for me to be here, learn from the Australian perspective, at the same point of time be able to also bring my reflection as someone who's worked in the Pacific Islands, as well as wearing my Indian hat because I am from India. So it's just a great time to hold all these sort of sometimes diverse thoughts in the same space and see what you can make out of it.
We need a lot more cultural translators, people who understand both cultures, people who have worked in both cultures, and people who know how to create pathways for collaboration.
One of the things that I did want to do through the program was to be able to look at industries that I'm not normally part of. So just hearing about what's happening in sport or what's happening in the art space is really good because it allows me to look at my own work with a new lens.
On Monday we kicked off in Canberra. We went to Parliament House.
We got to meet the Prime Minister.
Something I got out of today already is just seeing the teaming and the culture that's here, and it's really awesome to see that in a workplace that is thriving.
Hearing some of the industry leaders in Australia talk about the work they're doing and then connecting that to some of the experience we have in the cohort and the conversations you're having beyond the structured session is enriching.